Good morning and welcome back to the Flip Flop vlog. It is Sunday the 18th of July 2021. Hasn't been a good year for us and continues to not be a good year for us, and it hasn't been for many this year. There's been a lot of sorrow and hardship and loss, bereavement, grief, stress, mental health issues. We are tomorrow starting the new lifting of lockdown, return to freedom as people have called it. We just had Euro 2020 and the figures of COVID cases has gone up exponentially again, and I really wouldn't be surprised if we end up in another lockdown. That's another story. Sadly for us, on Monday we unexpectedly, suddenly and quickly lost Philip to cat heaven above. He seemed to be choking. We think maybe he had a clot from his heart murmur that has caused it. We were here, he was here, but by the time we managed to get him halfway to the vets, the emergency vets, he was already gone in the car, in the box, on Lorna's lap. We have been absolutely devastated, heartbroken, shattered. Words cannot explain how empty this house has felt. He really was one of the family, like our little boy, and we can't explain, can't even put into words how much we miss him. So it's been a really sad, difficult week. We made the decision to adopt again as quickly as possible, which we've done. And we found a cat called Pebbles, which we're going to change his name to Oliver. That just seemed to be the name that stuck as we were talking about names. So we are going off to collect Oliver. He's at the National Cats Adoption Centre for the Cats Protection League. Sorry, Cats Protection, they're not a league anymore. Down in Haywards Heath. So that's what we're going to do. See you when we get there. Okay, so now we have come to Haywards Heath and to the National Cats Protection Adoption Centre, where we're going to pick up Pebbles, who is now going to be known as Oliver. So we've phoned ahead this morning and sorted everything out. Just got to go and get him. But this place is lovely. Just have a look around. Really peaceful.
Yeah.
Mum's come with us. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good morning. Yeah. Hello. We're lucky to have
Scorching hot day.
A beautiful day.
About 28 degrees at the moment. Lovely clear sky. So I'm guessing this is the drop-off point here.
welcome.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Hello.
Oh, thank you for
You're
giving him a
coming
home.
with us. Yeah, you're gonna be alone. I mean, you're only gonna be on your own time plus us.
Do you want to take the bag?
Thank you.
So this has got all your paperwork in and Vax card, and there's a couple of bits that are in his pen, like toys and blankets that is sent on for you guys.
We clean the house, everything ready for you.
All ready, yeah. There is
Going
a...
to a good home to be our baby.
Oh, it's lovely.
Thank you.
No, you're welcome. I'll let you take him. He's all clicked in, so...
I'll please.
Cheers. Thank you very much.
No, you're welcome. You take care, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Hello. Hello. Look at the colour.
Oh, he's lighter than he looked on the television, isn't he?
Hello, Pebbles. Hello, Pebbles. Hello.
So, welcome Oliver. Had a safe trip home and settling in. We're putting him into the room upstairs just for him to settle down and get used to noises in the house. That's what they all advise that we do, and that's what we did with Philip. So I'm going to end off this video with a little photo tribute to Philip. Our time with him drastically cut short, so we don't have an awful lot of videos, but nothing I can do about that. So just going to put in the photos that we've got and just spend a few minutes thinking about him. Thank you for watching another sad vlog of ours, but please, if you enjoyed it or at least respected it, not sure what the words are, but please, if you like watching our videos, give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate any comments, anything at all in the boxes below, and please subscribe, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll know when we do another video in a week or two. Thank you for watching, and please come back for the next one. here is a sneak preview of Oliver. Isn't he gorgeous? Hello. Oliver. 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 Hello, boy. So, he's just got to stay in here until he's ready to explore. It's a bit warm, but we did buy him a fan. He's not eating the wet food yet, but he's loving the biscuits. So we're getting there, aren't we? I've got to go to work now, Oliver. So see you soon.